Today is the last part of swapping this blown Nissan 350Z engine. After removing the motor and transmission from the car, it was time to move all the remaining good parts from the blown engine over to the donor engine since it was missing a few things or the parts were in better condition. I removed the parts I wanted to replace, then put the replacement parts on like the intake manifold, coolant pipes, fuel system, AC compressor, power steering pump, new spark plugs, coil packs, vacuum hoses, new gaskets, intake plenum, exhaust manifolds, belts, and the wiring harness, making sure to clean every mating surface and torquing every bolt to spec in proper sequence. Next, the flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, and transmission get mounted. This was probably the hardest part out of the whole swap because of how heavy the trans was and I spilt fluid everywhere, but with the lift table and some wood blocks, it made it much easier. With the transmission and engine ready to go, I slowly lowered the car on top, then reversed the process I did in part 2. Lastly, I bled and refilled all the fluids I took out and it was ready to start up. I was so relieved to hear a healthy running engine, so I took it on a test drive and the 350Z is running great and is ready